First official look at the first item of SoMaelle Skin. I'm super excited to share. This is my Luxe cleansing bar. So it is a cleansing bar that is gentle enough for sensitive skin. It does not strip your skin, does not leave you with that tight feeling, but it leaves you with a hint of fragrance that smells beautifully, that is non-irritating. So I'm gonna jump right into it. My first Luxe bar is Velvet Petal, and you can't see it exactly on camera, but it is a beautiful pink pastel with cream. So this one is a warm, soft floral, but not like an overpowering floral. I do not like floral scents at all, but that one is actually, I wear that one frequently because I just like the smell of it. I think the warm balances out that hard floral fragrance. It has notes of florals, of course, but also honey, white musk, vanilla, and coconut. So it's for someone who wants to feel feminine and wants to feel fresh as well. Next up, we have the Radiant one. This one is a warm, subtly sweet smell. It leaves you with like people probably won't be able to put their finger on it, but they know you'll smell good because that's what that warmth brings to you. It does have notes of coconut, orange peel, melon, musk, and frankincense. So it's for when you just want to feel that warm, glowy feeling. That's what I feel like that one leaves you with. That sun was blaring in my face, so I just had to switch locations, but continuing on. Next up, I have Hydrobalance. So this one is your reset. This is your fresh scent, but the thing that I like about this is I feel like current fresh scents tend to lean more powdery, which is fine. There are people that like that, but for this fresh scent, I wanted to lean elsewhere. So you'll find hints of aloe, green tea, lily, pink Himalayan salt, and grapefruit. So it's for someone who just wants that confidence of I'm fresh, I'm making a statement, but not overpowering. And then lastly, which is the scent that has my heart, Soft Allure. I love this scent because it's warm, it's creamy, it's like sensual. So I really, really love this one. This one you'll find hints of cocoa butter, cashmere, vanilla, and then some light spices. But this one isn't your typical like gourmand smelling fragrance. It's actually like it's a sensual smell. I can't even describe it. It's one of those ones that makes someone want to get kind of close to you, right? So these are the official 4. Give you a good look again, pan on them. This was probably the longest process in creating this entire brand because these took 4 to 6 weeks just to cure. Some of them are still curing, not even ready to use yet. Yeah, so to kind of give y'all an idea, this is where I started. These are all my test bars that I started with that I've been using. So as you can see, I've come a long way. These are the test ones, and then these are the official ones that we ended with. So I'm super excited about that. So this is actually the first step to my 4-step system cleanse. So, you know, we have cleanse, condition, seal, nourish. So this is where everything and the foundation of it starts, and this is where I build everything. So I'm super excited about that. If y'all want to continue to follow along and you're curious about the journey, I will be uploading my complete journey on my YouTube page, SoMaelle Skin. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the same, SoMaelle Skin. Thanks for watching. I am excited for y'all to continue to follow me on this journey, and there is so much more to come, so hit the follow button now.